In the year 1996, NASA, the United States Space Agency, embarked on an ambitious mission to explore the uncharted territories of Mars. The objective was clear: send a rover to traverse the Martian landscape, uncover secrets hidden for eons, and lay the foundation for potential human exploration. The first rover, named Sojourner, landed on July 4, 1997, at Ares Vallis, a Martian valley. A crowd gathered at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, cheering as the little rover, smaller than a microwave, descended onto the red soil. Sojourner's mission was a success, sending back images of Martian rocks and soil, helping scientists understand the planet's geology. However, the challenges were immense. Communications with Earth took over 20 minutes due to the vast distance, and the Martian environment was harsh, with temperatures plummeting to -195 degrees Fahrenheit. Fast forward to 2004, and NASA was ready to launch a new rover, Spirit. This rover was larger, equipped with 6 wheels and advanced instruments. Its mission was to explore the Martian landscape of Gusev Crater, a site believed to have once held water. On January 4, 2004, Spirit touched down on Mars. It quickly began its exploration, sending back images of a barren, rocky landscape. However, Spirit faced an unexpected crisis when its wheel became stuck in soft soil. Engineers back on Earth worked tirelessly to free the rover, eventually succeeding after days of relentless effort. In 2012, NASA launched 2 new rovers, Curiosity and Opportunity. Curiosity, the largest rover yet, was designed to investigate whether Mars could have ever supported life. Opportunity's mission was to continue exploring Meridiani Planum, the site where Spirit had gotten stuck. Curiosity landed on August 6, 2012, in Gale Crater. As it descended, it released a parachute and a sky crane, lowering itself gently onto the Martian surface. Over the next years, Curiosity would send back images of Mars geology, providing evidence that the planet could have supported microbial life billions of years ago. Opportunity, meanwhile, continued its exploration of Meridiani Planum. It was expected to last for 90 Martian days, but it survived for over 15 years, providing invaluable data about Mars geology and history. These rovers, each with their unique missions, have given us a glimpse into the mysteries of Mars. They have shown us the harshness of the Martian environment, the resilience of human engineering, and the tantalizing possibility that life, in some form, might have once existed on our neighboring planet. As we continue to explore Mars, these rovers will remain as testaments to human curiosity, daring to dance with the red planet and unraveling its secrets one Martian day at a time.